Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Monica. Thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, I'm going to be cleaning the master bedroom and the master bathroom. So the first thing that I am going to do is just take the sheets off of the bed and I'm going to get those started. And then I am just going to pile everything back up on the bed, like the pillows and the blankets and stuff. And then I'm just going to dust in here and do some good vacuuming. And then I'm going to head on into the bathroom. To dust the dresser and the two nightstands in here, I will be using this multi-purpose cleaner spray, and it is a Bulgarian rose scent, and it is by Love, Health, and Planet, and it is definitely one of my favorites. I love the way this stuff smells, and it doesn't ruin the paint that I have right here on my dresser, and it does a really good job at cleaning, and I absolutely love it. I highly recommend it. I purchased mine at Target. So to clean my mirror, I will be using the Method glass cleaner. I love this stuff. It works really well. I also use the flour sack towels to clean, and they work amazingly on glass and mirrors, and they don't leave any type of lint behind or anything like that, and I've never had an issue with the streaks. So what I do is I buy them in packs. I think they sell them in packs of 5 and 10 at Walmart, and they are fairly inexpensive. And what I do is I cut each one up in quarters because they are fairly large.
I didn't know love could ever feel like this. I didn't know body shivers from a kiss. Now I know.
If you are visiting my channel for the very first time, I would love to say welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I do a lot of cleaning and decorating here on my channel, and I would love it if you subscribed. So go ahead and hit that red subscribe button right now before you forget, and make sure that you turn your notification bell on as well so you don't miss out on any videos.
You make me feel the things I do, and now I know it's been so very long, 'cause it's been forever since I felt anything. So watch out, when love gets a hold on you, you can't go back. That's right, now when I found you, I can't let you out of my sight. Don't go, my heart and my soul have finally come alive. So now I'm all yours. With flowers in my hair, I'm waiting for you there, for always and forever.
To wash my sheets, I will be using the Downy scent beads. This is the Romantic Collection line, I guess you would call it, and the scent is a white tea and peony scent. And then for the detergent and softener, I will be using the Gain Botanicals, and this is in the orange blossom and vanilla scent. It is definitely one of my favorites. I will also be adding a little bit of bleach to my laundry cycle today as well.
Oh, wouldn't dare to dream about us two. And now I know, I'm glad it didn't take me forever. And now I know what love can do. So watch out, when love gets a hold on you, you can't go back. That's right.
as I was going through my video clips and doing my edits, I noticed how bad the bed skirt was on this side right here where Rocco is laying. This is my side of the bed, and he loves to sleep right there on the floor when I'm in bed at night. So I ended up taking the skirt off and throwing it in the washer after this video. It's actually washing right now, but I didn't even realize how bad that was until I went back and was cutting down my clips of this video to edit, and boy, it was really bad. So as I'm waiting for the sheets to wash, I am just going to roll up the towels that are sitting here on this haul tree, and I like to use this haul tree to hold all of the towels that we use because we do not have a linen closet in our bedroom or master bathroom. We just have the closet, and the closet's already full, so I decided to put this haul tree here, and I use that for all of the towels. So what I do is I just roll them all up and store them down in the bottom, and then the ones that we are using, we just hang on the hooks right up there.
Got to know you before you faded away. I got to know you, got to love you. Just keep on walking down.
Okay, so now I'm going to be cleaning the bathroom in here. Now that I have everything put away and the countertops all cleared off, I'm going to start with the mirrors, and I will be using this Windex. It's in a lavender scent. And then for the sinks, I will be using this soft scrub cleanser. It's in a spray bottle, and you can use it on pretty much anything here in the bathroom. But I do not like the way this stuff smells. It does not have a good scent at all. It doesn't even smell like a cleaner, to be honest. I actually opened the windows because it smelled so bad. But I will be using gloves because I don't know how harsh this stuff is. I will not be repurchasing it either, but that is what I am using to clean out the sinks in here and the bathtub.
Escaping your pain now. You break down, you're drained now. Your heart pounds, your lips move, your eyes shine. You lose it all. Together we go down to the ocean for you to sail away.
To clean the countertops in here, I will be using the same Bulgarian Rose scented multi-purpose cleaner that I used in the bedroom. I will just be using this to clean off the countertops and the cabinet doors.
Together we go down to the ocean for you to sail away. Trying not to show you my emotions. Now you sail away. Escaping your pain now. You break down, you're drained now. Your heart pounds, your lips move, your eyes shine. You lose it all. Got to know you before you faded away. I got to know you, got to love you. Together we go down to the ocean for you to sail away. Trying not to show you my emotion.
To clean my shower doors, I have been using this Lysol bowl cleaner. It is a toilet bowl cleaner, and I know it sounds really bizarre to use this to clean your shower doors, but let me tell you, I tried this once. I don't even know why I thought to try this, and it works so incredibly good. It works better than any shower cleaner I have ever tried. So if you are struggling to clean your shower doors and you have no idea what to use, I highly recommend trying any type of toilet bowl cleaner. I know, trust me, I know it sounds really odd, but I started using this and it works amazing. And I just kind of get it on there on the door really well. And then I use a sponge and scrub it off. And then I just use my detachable shower head and I rinse it away. And then I will dry it off with a towel, and my shower doors look beautiful.
You're gone now, will you coming back? Yeah, I know that, yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind, it's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart, I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your end destination.
So if you guys have watched several of my videos, you know how much I enjoy that little karate chop that I'm doing right here on these pillows. And the pillows that I had on my bed previously just did not do that. The feeling was just that type that you can't achieve that look. So I actually had, I believe it was a subscriber, but it was on Instagram. So I'm not sure if it was just a follower on Instagram or one of my subscribers as well, but she had actually told me about these pillows from IKEA, and I purchased them there. So if you are interested in them, I will go ahead and leave a link in my description box.
I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your end destination. You're gone now, but you're coming back. Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind, it's a known fact.
And that will be it for this video. I hope that you guys all enjoyed it very much. I hope it gave you a ton of cleaning motivation, and I hope you guys are all safe and sane during this time of chaos that is going on right now. And I hope to see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new, and I hope you guys all have an amazing day. See you in the next one. Bye.